Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking Matt's R32 Gtr and Greg's FD RX7 to night war drags. So it's about 12 PM now and racing starts at 6:30 PM tonight. So Matt's just out here getting the GTR all ready. He's going to chuck some ethanol in it, get it up to as close to E50 as he can get, and he's just putting the wheel back on. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Matt's all done chucking the ethanol in now. He managed to get it up to, what is it, about 40, 49? E49. He managed to get it up to about E49. There it is there. So the GTR is all ready for the drags now. So we just arrived at BP now. Greg's here with his RX7.
Alright.
You good to go?
Yeah.
Sweet, so the boys are just in the line now.
Registration for scrutineering.
How was the drive here?
Yeah, it was good. Used a bit of gas.
Did you actually?
I don't know, or boosting some of it.
So he hasn't got a fuel gauge.
Yeah, I don't have a fuel gauge.
You blew the massivest flame, but like I didn't get it on camera. I only got you got heaps of little ones after it. I got all the little ones.
Dang.
The race you guys did, we only saw the second one you guys did. It looked like the FD was pulling hard on it.
Yeah, because we almost had to drop to second there because we were going so slow.
Yeah, it was like...
I was just like, oh, this took forever to get going.
Yeah. Nah, it's way faster though.
Yeah.
like man, there's not even like anything. Just tweak it. Come on.
I'm interested to see how you go, eh?
Yeah. I reckon I'll still beat him on the strip.
How are you feeling?
I feel pretty good, eh? I think the drive here like helped me loosen up a bit.
Oh yeah.
Just gotta move on.
So Matt's in the line now. It's not that long.
Yeah,
We're going to mount up this GoPro to get some 360 footage. So the line's moving real fast. They're almost at the front. Greg's just lining up now. RX7 first Here's Matt in the GTR. Is that 12.3 I think? Yeah, I think he just got a 12.3 and Greg got a 12.6 I think, so not bad for a first run. How was that for you?
Yeah, it was good. I got 12.5 on like crap ass launch. Yeah, your launch could have been. Yeah, I beat him in the end. He was way ahead and then I caught him right at the end. No, I beat him. But that was right at the end, like yeah. Because he was quite a bit ahead of me.
How do you feel about your first one?
The launch was pretty good. It was just going into third. I just couldn't quite get it in quick enough. But I don't know, it just felt like I was skidding first and second a lot. But we'll give it another go and we'll see.
Still haven't got this one's best time yet.
Eh?
Still haven't bet this one yet.
Yeah. Oh, GoPro's still here. I'm lining up again. Next to us is Rowdy Airsu in a Kia Sorrento. Someone's mum came on. Yeah, let's see if we can improve on the first one. This is round number 2.
Matt lining up now. That was an 11.8. So that was his fastest run yet.
Thank you. Hey, we did it! 11.8, yeah boy! We cracked the 11s, and that wasn't even the best run. Let's go low 11s if we can sort that second gear bog out. 11.8. I lost. Guy ran an 11.2. V8 Audi.
So that was Matt and Greg's second run. Now he's going for his third and final run before the knockout phases. Eugenia's getting a hand from the bro. How do you reckon that one went?
Oh, it's still pretty average. I know, like cut out, like I don't know, like 6,000 RPM in the first gear.
What time did you get? I couldn't really see.
12.5 again.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, I need to get my launch sorted. Maybe next time.
Gear just bogged out. Like maybe I need to stay in first a bit longer.
Yeah, it might have been wheel spinning too much.
Yeah, that probably. Yeah, it would have been wheel spinning.
Too low, too low.
True.
It's always that hard one though when it's skidding, like when to change.
Yeah.
What happened? Why? Like, well, this first gear, it didn't even go right up, and it just like cut. It was like,
Oh, is it too hot?
I wasn't
Maybe,
that hot.
I wonder if your oil's hot.
It wasn't that hot.
Nah, we were waiting for a while for that race.
Yeah.
Because I remember in the 180 last year, we did a run and then I did another run real quick and it cut like 500 RPM earlier for some reason, and I was like, whoa, that was weird. Like,
Usually I don't mind that rev limiter. It's like, it was just like,
oh, a cut. Actually.
yeah, like a proper cut.
You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hello there.
Oh, did you race?
This guy forgot his helmet.
11.6. Yeah, I don't have
11.6?
Nah.
Oh, I was going to say, what the heck?
13.7.
37.
Yeah.
Justin.
But I'm only this is my first time, so I'm like experimenting.
Matt's lining up for his third and final practice run.
I just finished run 3. That was bad. Oh, I haven't looked at the slip yet. I was like, oh, look when I park up. I bogged the launch completely, so 12.3. 123 miles per hour. I ran a 12.3 into 120 mile per hour. That was all launch. I don't know. I think I just didn't quite give it enough. I thought I might have been giving it too much for the first two, so I kind of buttoned it back a smidge, but yeah. Nah, it's all good. Room for improvement.
I think that was disqualified. Oh, really?
Oh, I'm so gutted. Oh, I got disqualified. I jumped the gun. My handbrake slipped. Oh, I smoked this guy too. Oh, I'm out. First elimination and I'm out. This handbrake isn't that great. And I put a little bit too much load on the clutch and I crept just on the last light. Boom. Jumped the gun. So guys, I'm gutted. I got a 12-1, but because I jumped the gun I lost. The guy got a 13-4. It would have been easy win. So Greg's up. They're just entering into his class now. The turbo two-wheel drive. Greg versus Emre. Let's go, Greg.
Is the car all good?
I did my clutch again.
Hey?
I just did my clutch again.
Again?
Yeah.
I haven't?
I screwed my clutch again.
Did it?
Yeah. It was the same thing as last time.
A brand new clutch?
Yeah.
What the heck?
That's still
Can I have
drivable.
C6 moving up behind the bike, please? That is C6 moving up behind the bike.
Is it hard to get into first?
Yeah. It doesn't sound good.
Like, would you rather drive it home, you reckon? Or no?
Yeah, I'll be able to drive it home.
Contemplate time.
What the heck?
I don't know why though. Do you think it's just getting too hot?
Yeah, it's just melting, I think. It's just
welding to it, eh?
yeah, and then it's just like with that, how there's stuff welded to that bit.
Yeah.
So it depends where it is. Like if it's sitting real high, like bro, the pedal feels spongy because it's sitting so far out from the thing.
On top of it.
Yeah, it's like doubled up kind of thing. Oh. Bro, like when I got my, because I did take that gear into neutral when they got
the slip.
the slip, and then put it back in. It's just like. It's like, oh.
Yeah, overall we had like a really awesome night. It was great finally getting the GTR out on the drag strip, and as you guys see I got a new PB, although it wasn't hard to beat. But yeah, cracked 11.8, real stoked with that. Gutted we have to pull Greg's gearbox out. We're going to have a look at that, see what we need to do, but that clutch has only done like 500 Ks. It's a brand new clutch. It still drives alright, but it's pretty much the same problem that we had last time. So thanks heaps for watching, and please like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, tag your mates. Also a big shout out to all our mates that came out as well and supported us as well. We really appreciate that too, so you guys know who you are.